Welcome to this tutorial on how to make your Facebook friends list public for everyone to see. This is a simple process that you can complete in just a few steps using your PC. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From your profile page, click on the More option. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the Friends section. Clicking on Friends will take you to the page where you can view and manage your friends list. Now, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the Friends List section. Click on these dots, and then select Edit Privacy from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to control who can see your friends list. In the privacy settings for your friends list, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Friends List. Click on this drop-down and select Public. This setting will make your friends list visible to everyone on Facebook, allowing anyone to see who you're connected with. Once you've selected Public, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your friends list is now public, and anyone can view it. Making your friends list public can be useful if you want to help people find and connect with you more easily. It can also be a great way to showcase your connections and build your network on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on using Facebook and other social media platforms effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.